money on my mind, I got my G-Shock watch. Plus I'm super fly, I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my G.
Alright, and here we are with another unboxing review. This time we got the DW6900KTH G-Shock edition. The Just Us box. This is a beautiful one, guys. You have to see this one. I mean, let's take a look. You got this nice colorway here, right? It's like I don't know, 3 different blues, tan, color red. KITH on the top of the box. Just Us on the side of the box. Model number DW6900KTH-7CR 3230 module. I mean, this one's amazing in terms of the colorway they use, the design altogether. It represents, I think, KITH store's design clothing in a nutshell, right on the watch. I mean, they did an absolutely amazing job with this in terms of the boxing, the trunk box, the watch colors. I mean, it's just sick. Check this out. Got the triangular pattern on the top and surrounding trunk with a white or maybe ivory color here. Very beautiful, very beautiful. I can see that. Let's unbox, pop that. Boom. Look at this. Just Us on the top of the trunk. It's not every day a brand releases a collaboration with G-Shock. When they do, sometimes they get lazy. KITH, my friends, didn't get lazy. They didn't miss a thing. They went all out as they should. You got the KITH logo right there in rose gold with the G-Shock. Just pow, pow, left, right hooks everywhere. Good job. Take a look at the watch. Remove that. We don't need that. Look at this, guys. Holy cow. Let's start. Where do we start? All right, start with the buckle here. Rose gold buckle. I mean, absolutely amazing design. Checkered print or triangular pattern. KITH band holder. I mean, just sick. Rose gold bull bars. I mean, come on, guys. They missed nothing. They missed nothing. They didn't hold back at this one. The KITH backlight with the KITH inscription there. Look at that. Gold, rose gold buttons. Boom, just boom, 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 boom. The rest of the band also patterned. Look at that. Just, and this was, I mean, a DW6900 design, but like I said, they killed it. Look at that back plate. Just colorful. Matching the box design right there. The trifecta colors. Boom. That backlight, look at those digits right there. Look at how beautiful they look in blue. Look at that. Sick. Elements Exploration Agency on the bottom there. Wind, sun, rain, wind, sun around the bezel. Casio G-Shock Resist. That beautiful old tan colorway around the eyes. Alarm, timer, stopwatch, back to home time. Nothing special in terms of modes. It's just a standard 6900, but that's the beauty about these. They're more affordable in terms of releases because it's not packed with a lot of technology. It's just packed with a lot of beautiful designs. Look at the back plate. There you have it. Look at that rose gold, beautiful keys. Oh! Just hot fire on this one. Beautiful. Amazing. You guys killed it. Check out that backlight. They don't stop there. Boom. Just Us on the backlight. Just hotness. I mean, I'm excited about this one. They did, I mean, they skipped no detail. They went all out. It's like they have a checklist and they said, give me everything. They got the KITH on the back of the what's it called here? The clasp. Look at that. Come on, guys. They said, hey guys, want to save some money and make this a mediocre release? They said, hell no. Let's give them what they want. And this is exactly what they should have done. Every collab should be like this. Box design, trunk design, bull bars, patterns, backlight, button, boom. Just, I mean, come on now. You can see how excited I am. I mean, it's not every day a designer releases a product this detailed, and they did it this time. I mean, KITH, as you guys know, if you didn't know, it's a clothing brand. You could check out their website, KITH.com. Established in 2011. I believe that they originally wanted to do like some kind of snack bar marketplace or something like that, and they decided to do a clothing store instead, and now they actually do sell snacks in addition to their clothing. Other clothes are colorful, and they have a like old-fashioned pattern and design. Very colorful though, and I think you guys check out their website. I'll post some pictures of some of the products they offer. You guys can see what I'm talking about, and something like this you guys will love. I mean, check them out if you haven't already done so. If you can, cop this KITH, baby. It's where it's at. Thanks. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Hit that like button, please. Smash it. Don't hold back, just like KITH didn't. And subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'll see you guys very soon with some more reviews. Holla at your boy. I'm out with that KITH. Peace. I'm out.
Money on my mind, I got my G-Shock watch. Plus I'm super fly. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my